Welcome back. If you're new here, we use Microsoft Word to create art. We use Office Shapes, which is part of the application, and as well the drawing tools. So let's begin. We're going to draw a leaf. Insert, shapes, and we look for something just in a general leaf form. Or let's just take a circle and make it into an oval. Make it green. Go into shape fill. Look for some gradient. Let's go like that. You can give it more of an outline. But I think it's going to be darker. Let's make it darker. And then give the weight just a little bit more. Okay. Excellent. So now we're going to go right click, edit points, and we're going to add some extra points. This one can be extended. Just going to make that into a corner point. Like that. And like that. Like this one, corner point. I'm going to add an extra point here. Add point just to give it some contour. Now we go into shape effects, bevel, and we can move this to the side. And we can just look at different bevels here. I choose this one. Let's give it some other features. Bottom bevel. The rotation. Just go like, check each one. That. For the bottom bevel, I wonder if we can make it sharper. Like that. Now, also edit points. I want to be able to give a little bit more characteristic to it. Lighting. It's a little bit too dark. Let's leave that one. That one is plastic, I believe, or soft. The soft. I think this one here is plastic. Yes. I want to make a stem for it. Insert shapes. Choose this one. Turn it this way. Same color. Shape outline. Make it a little bit darker. Shape fill, gradient. Get some gradient. Right click. Send to back. All right. Fix position. Now right click, edit points. Add point. Make it smooth. Do another add point here. Smooth point. Like that. smooth point. Let's just go like on the tree. It has edit points here, an extra point here. Like it's flat. It doesn't have that extra part of it there, but okay, we can leave that. Go shape effects, bevel. See how that looks like. I think I'm going to take the outline out now. And then for this, go in here and just look at the bottom bevel. Make it round. Turn it a little bit. Not too much. The curve. Curve is what we need. And click. And then kind of follow. Take this green, and then we're going to give it some weight. And then shape effects, bevel. Take that one. Format shape and lighting, and we can change it around. If we don't like it, like I want it more. Okay. I want it lighter, like this. You can make it lighter. Change the angle. Oops. I'll take that one. I'm going to take this, copy, that, edit points. I'm going to delete some of these points. I'm going to add a point in the center here. Make it smooth. Shape outline. There we go. And this is going to go send backward. This one will have to be bring to front. So I'm just going to finish up the rest. Highlight everything, select all objects. Okay, and then we're going to deselect, and we're going to deselect this one and that one, which it is. Glow. I'm going to select glow colors. I'm going to go into glow, and I'm going to bring down the size of it. Bevel. I'm going to leave this bevel. That. Edit points. And there you go. Thanks for watching.